everybody. Today we will showcase the eraser tool. And what I'd like for you all to do is refer to the exercise files, specifically to episode 15-2. And there you'll see two files, eraser01, eraser02. Let's go ahead and open those up and open it any way that's easier for you, as long as you have it in Photoshop like I have it right here. So we're going to focus on eraser01. And you'll notice that this is a image with layers. That's right. Well, here's the eraser tool right here. You see that icon? Pretty much smack dab in the middle of the toolbar. Now, if you press and hold that icon, you might see three other icons there, but we're going to stick to the eraser tool. And as I had mentioned before, this is an image in layers. We have layers on top of each other. Just basically, I stroked a bunch of colors one on top of each other. There you see if I click on the eyeballs next to each layer in the layers palette, it pretty much disappears. And then I click again, it reappears. So let's see what the eraser tool is all about. And if I go ahead and click on the eraser tool, you'll notice that the eraser tool is just another brush tool. That's right, you can control the size of your eraser, you can control the shape like I'm doing, and if you need a refresher on the brush tool, you can refer to a previous lesson. But pretty much anything with the brush tool you can control with the eraser tool. Now, what happens here is that if you need to select the layer that you want to work on. Okay, so with the eraser tool, you notice how I am clicking and dragging the eraser across the blue, and the layer below that is now being exposed. Now I will click on the yellow layer, and right beneath that is the blue layer. Okay, there it is. You see the blue. So now I'm going to click on the green layer. Below that is the yellow layer again. Okay, and then I go ahead and click on the blue, and below that it is the green. As you can see, pretty simple. Now, what if I click on the hot pink? Well, there's no layer behind it, but you do see the background, and that's what shows. Pretty awesome. So pretty much it kind of just removes pixels from the layer that you selected, showcasing the layer below. Now I've got a circle, and it's got no layer. And you see right here, you've got the foreground and background color there. So if I was to use the eraser tool, look what happened. Without a layer, it converts into a brush for the background color, in this case, black. That's right. So as you can see right there, I kind of drew something on top of there. Now, what if I do want to have kind of remove the blue? Well, let's go ahead and create a new layer. So layer, new layer. And let's make it so that the first layer is beneath that and the blue is on top of that. And now if I use the eraser tool, look at that. I now can see right through it. It is not black. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed.